This tiny ESP32 CAM ES3 can stream live video on your phone. It can also send the images to Telegram. Also, it can get connected to Things board and send images. Before getting started with this, let's get the board working from scratch. In this video, we'll start basic test programming for absolute beginners and even the installations. So for that, you need to install Arduino IDE for Windows or Mac. This is the first video of ESP32 CAM S3 series. Once this works, we'll work step by step. So for that, let's open our Arduino IDE. First, click on Preferences in case if you don't have ESP32 board installed. And here you will see the preference board and you will have to click on Additional Board Manager in case if you need these links for all the detailed stuff will be given in the link description below. So after that, we have to click on the tools and select the appropriate board. And after that, please be very careful about these settings and make sure you set all these settings properly. Now, this is important because choosing wrong configuration can lead to the upload problems. For this, one thing you can do is just click on Manage Libraries and upload the latest version of ESP32. In case if you find any error while uploading the code or looping of serial monitor, so the one thing you can do is click on the link description below so that you can overcome with the solution of this error. So before that, let's upload the latest version of ESP32 and run our first program. So let's keep it very simple. We are going to control onboard LED. This line sets LED pin as an output and controls the on and off of the LED. Now let's just upload it. So before uploading this, you have to be very sure about your port and select the right port for your board. Also, the cable used need to be a data cable. Once your board is selected, now upload the code. So the first upload might take time, so don't worry if you have to wait. And there we go. Congratulations, if your LED is blinking, you have successfully programmed your ESP32S3. This is starting point of everything because in the next video we are going to see how exactly we can send live video stream on our phone. Subscribe so you don't miss the next part.